To enable CyberScout covered services, follow this comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process step by step. First, understand what CyberScout is. A leading provider of identity theft protection and fraud resolution services. Their services help individuals and businesses protect themselves from cyber threats and financial fraud. The first step to enable CyberScout covered services is to check if you are eligible for the service. This is usually provided by your employer, financial institution, or through a subscription. Review your benefits or membership details to confirm if you have access to CyberScout services. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, visit the CyberScout website and click on the Register or Enroll option. You will need to provide some personal and account information to create a profile. This information will be used to provide you with personalized support and services. After creating your profile, you will be prompted to set up your account and choose the services you want to enable. CyberScout offers a range of services including identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and fraud resolution. Select the services that are relevant to your needs and follow the prompts to complete the setup process. It is essential to understand the key concepts of CyberScout services, including how they work and what they cover. For example, their identity theft protection service provides monitoring and alerts for suspicious activity, while their fraud resolution service offers support and guidance in case of a fraud incident. To get the most out of CyberScout services, it is crucial to follow best practices such as regularly monitoring your accounts and credit reports, being cautious when sharing personal information, and keeping your software and devices up to date. By taking these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft and financial fraud. In conclusion, enabling CyberScout covered services is a straightforward process that requires you to confirm your eligibility, create a profile, set up your account, and choose the services you want to enable. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can protect yourself from cyber threats and financial fraud, and have peace of mind knowing that you have access to expert support and guidance.